Emmanuel, God is with us. I'm at the airport going on a trip for Christmas, and I'm really, really excited. So I thought I'd just give you a little shout out. I was trying to get, see that it used to be a restaurant. Oh, you got your mask on now, Mom.
Yeah, I gotta find a place today. I'm trying to find my.
Okay, no problem. Whew. So, you guys were checking in baggage. Everything's different from the last time I've been to the airport. Last time I was here, you stood in a line and checkers took your bag from you. We're having to check our own bag, and it's really, really strange to me. We don't know what we're doing, but we're going, see family for the holidays, so we'll get there, and by then we'll know. Well, we got through that hurdle. We got our bag self-checked, and now we're just turning it into the staff, and I think we got time for breakfast. I brought a little snack just in case, and Mama's Bible. I couldn't find my Bible, and I didn't want to miss it. I haven't been to the airport in so long. Everything's changed. We were looking for chairs to be able to pull stuff out. They got rid of all the chairs. It's just a ton of folks going to see their family. Yeah. Carry on only. Yeah. But we got choices. We'll be okay. Okay. You want to get in line now, Mom? Okay. Thank you. Okay, you guys, we made it through the magnetic machine, and you see this gold on my sweater. I had to be patted down because the string in my sweater showed up on the magnetic thing. I'm like, really? Oh my goodness. Crazy. Now we're trying to find some food. It's not that many people, I guess, because the process is so labor intensive now. Ooh, coffee. Klatch. Something different. Mom likes McDonald's coffee, so she's like thinking, coffee's coffee. And I'm like, no, I want a coffee from the coffee place where they specially brew and grind the beans for me, Make
sure I get checked in before I go.
Yeah. Okay. We're getting there. Maybe it's over here someplace. Okay. You guys, maybe by the time Christmas comes, I'll be a better vlogger, because, this is it. Once Christmas gets here, my vlogging days are ceased until the next holiday. But for Christmas, I wanted to have a little fun. God bless you.